background check settlement facility provided by Bank Indonesia to streamline the flow of current account payments as part of banking supervision. Clearing participating banks are commercial banks or development banks in specific region coordinated by BI or designated bank. There are two types of participation in clearing. First, direct participation record instrument directly in clearing meetings or by in central commercial bank, development banks. Banks taught me head office or branch participation in clearing or branch or sub-branch office. Requirements for clearing participating banks. First, must have a business license from the Minister of Finance. Second, administrative and financial conditions permit them to fulfill clearing obligation. Third, the branches are required to participate in clearing with BI permission. And last, valid for 6 months from the date of deposit. 4. Clearing participating representative. Its direct participating banks appoints at least 2 permanent representatives. First, Group A prepares, amends, and signs the clearing summary list and balance sheet. Second is Group B has additional authority to sign rejection letters. 5. Clearing house held every weekday, twice daily, according to the organizer schedule. 6. Clearing instruments include checks, giro bills, transfer receipts, bank drafts, and debit notes in rupiah with full value. Clearing balance sheet used to record and calculate balance based on the clearing deposit and return list to expedite interbank calculation.
Clearing settlements negative balance occurs and auxiliary participants likely to exceed the available funds and collateral. Participants are given 15 minutes to settle the balance, which may be extended with the approval of Bank Indonesia. If the balance remains unsettled, the participants will be subject to temporary suspension from clearing, withdrawal from clearing if they experience the following. 1. Financial difficulties that result in failure to meet the requirement for further participation in clearing. 2. The management of the participants concerned does not demonstrate proper conduct, such as dispute with the management. Definition of money market. The money market consists of short-term securities with a maturity of no more than 1 year, such as commercial paper, call money, Bank Indonesia certificates, and money market securities. Objective of the money market. First, practice requiring funds in the cash with banks and non-bank companies that require funds to be made immediately for specific purpose. Second, purchase investing fund, namely purchase the profit funds or purchase the sell funds, both banks and non-bank company for the purpose of investing in the money market. Interbank call money. This is interbank loan that occurs during the clearing process. In clearing transaction conducted by Bank Indonesia every working day, there are always winner and loser. Bank that lose in clearing and are unable to cover their loss will be subject to sanction from Bank Indonesia. Bank Indonesia certificates are securities denominated in rupiah issued by Bank Indonesia as a form of short-term recognition with interest or discount system. A certificate of deposit is a bond product to a time deposit, but with different principle. A certificate of deposit is the instrument in the form of a time deposit issued by bank and other financial institution to investors whose ownership can be bought or sold.
Money market securities. These are securities introduced by Bank Indonesia in 1985 as one of the tools for conducting open market operation in order to help stabilize the value of the rupiah. The term is between 30 days and 180 days. Banker acceptance. This is a bank draft stamped with the word accepted and can be traded on the money market as a source of short-term fund. The withdrawal period for the draft ranges from 30 days to 180 days. Banker's acceptance occurs in foreign trade, and banker acceptance occurs when there is a process of buying and selling goods between countries. Commercial paper. Commercial paper is a short-term security issued by a company or financial institution. The purpose of the issuance is to obtain cash fund quickly without having to go to a bank loan process. Commercial papers are usually manufactured with asset or unsecured, so they are only issued by companies that have a good financial reputation. Treasury bills. Treasury bills are often abbreviated as T-bills are short-term securities issued by the government to meet the country's financial needs in a short period of time. T-bills are included by a money market instrument as they have a tenor of less than 1 year. These instruments are considered very safe because it is guaranteed by the government, so it has a very low risk of default. Repurchase agreement. It was discussed that the bank productive assets include loans, securities, and interbank funds. Repurchase agreement or repo is a form of securities transaction in the money market, so it falls into the category of productive assets. Revert into the journal. The main purpose the same as explained earlier, namely 1. Managing bank liquidity, 2. Optimizing security as a source of fund, and 3. Supporting monetary policy and the financial system stability. Insurance. Insurance is an agreement between an insurance company and a customer where the customer pays a certain amount of premium as a form of protection against the risk of future losses. In general, insurance aims to provide financial guarantees to the public against the possibility of unwanted events such as accidents, disaster, damage, or death. In the economic context, insurance serves as a risk management tool and a spreader of financial risk among many parties. Leasing. Leasing is a financing agreement between a finance company and a customer where the company gives the customer the right to use capital goods such as vehicles, machinery, or heavy equipment for a certain period of time, the periodic payment, and at the end of the contract period, the customer can choose to buy or extend the lease or return the item to the financing company. Leasing is included in non-bank financing institutions which play a role in distributing funds to the community, especially to the business sector.